Today in the Hampton Beach crock pot, we are doing crock pot chicken. And as you can see, what's in there is sweet baby rays. I normally do it in the oven. Usually takes about an hour. But because it gets hot now, I don't want to be heating up the damn house. So what I did was I put probably 10 ounces maybe of sweet baby rays in. If that, I mean, it wasn't a lot that I put in there before I took the chicken. Rinse the chicken off, and then all I'm going to do is cover the chicken a little bit. Like so. And then turn it on. This has a lid that goes on it. And you see the brackets there. So it can go either on low or high. I'm not for sure what to put it on, but I'll try low first because I know what high will do. But I think the way the low works is it'll speed up a little bit and then it goes down to simmering. But we'll see. I got all day. Okay, with the crock pot, it's taken this Sweet Baby Ray's chicken of mine 4 hours and a half. Ballpark. Maybe a little bit longer. Because I don't remember. Yeah, about 4, because I think I started at like 11. So yeah, about 4.5 hours. And it's at 170 degrees. If you want it hotter, you turn up the heat a little bit or let it sit a little bit longer, whichever. Looks good, tastes good, is what it is. The reason why I did this is because I cook all my stuff for one day, and then through the rest of the week, I'll heat my stuff up in my little air fryer, little oven thing I got. So right now all it is just the Sweet Baby Rays and the chicken. When I go to heat it up, I'll put it in a glass bowl. Like this, or a Pyrex bowl, or whatever fits in my little thing, my little oven. I'll put the frozen vegetables in the bottom first, and then I'll put some rice in there, or actually the rice will go first, then the frozen vegetables, then the chicken, and then the Sweet Baby Rays, and stick it in either the oven or, well, you can even do a microwave if you even use a microwave. I don't use one. I use an air fryer. So stick it in the air fryer, and away it goes. Because the rice gets reconstituted from the Sweet Baby Rays and from the frozen vegetables. Usually takes, when I put it on reheat, I put it on 350 for about 30 minutes. And it's right at 167 to 180. And to show how tender this is, I pulled some of it apart. You can take that's a whole piece of chicken. That's a piece I just cut with a fork. One-handed with a fork. It's that tender. And you can break it up and make chicken barbecue if you want. Which I guess is kind of what I should have said in the first place. But turned out pretty good.